If your loft is poorly insulated, you may be surprised to hear that you are consuming 25% more energy compared to a well-insulated loft. Therefore, we have created a loft ceiling insulation kit, otherwise referred to in the trade as under rafter insulation. Our easy to install DIY insulation kit will save on your energy bills, reduce condensation, prevent damp and mould, and create a more ambient temperature all year round. Installing our loft ceiling insulation kit is easy, and this video will show you how. First, start by measuring how much insulation you need for the first section. Lay the insulation down, measure and cut the material required for the first run. Staple the first layer onto the rafters at 300mm intervals. This will ensure that the eco-quilt is held securely in place. Remove any excess insulation material. Lay the roll of insulation out and measure how much is required for the next run and cut. Staple the second layer into place, ensuring that you have overlapped the material by 50mm. Continue this process until you have a full continuous coverage. You will have now successfully insulated your loft space. You also have the option to install a double layer for maximum thermal performance. To do this, you will need to recess the first layer of eco-quilt by stapling it to either side of the roof rafters, and then install a second insulation layer taut over the top of the first. You can order the loft ceiling insulation kit at the lowest trade price from Eco Home Insulation. We offer a free next working day delivery to anywhere in the UK mainland. If you have any queries, just get in touch. Start saving now.